Today we're doing the kick. Maybe that's not the best kick I've made, but I've done it like 10 minutes. So we will delete this, make another instance of Serum, and we're gonna start with the sine wave, not the sine wave, but with the G note, like in between like G and D, it works good. Like you don't want to go with like higher notes, and like BPM between like 180 and 220. Let's put it to 1. Let's actually do like this. Okay. So the first thing, we want to create an LFO looking something like that. We want to go to the matrix. We want to give it a source, that LFO we just made. We want to go to the destination, select global, master tune, and do something like this. We want to have it like triggering on every node, so it starts from the start. Okay. I want to go lower octaves. Okay. Then we want to make a filter. Another LFO to have it like this. No, more like this. Okay. Another thing, we want distortion, preferably X shaper or the asymmetric one. We want to edit A and edit B, something like of course you want to reduce randomization to 0. Of course we want to do that. We want also give the LFO2 to the level, but not starting from 0. thing is delay, like at the end, and we want to have it like on fast mode, of course not BPM. This can be on 0, and we want to have like a delay between left and right channel. So now it's in the middle, and now it's like in both headphones. I think I go with the ping pong or normal. Okay, I'll go with that. And now we have like the first oscillator is playing like the punch and some of the bass, and then we want to emphasize the bass part just with the oscillator beat. That's what I do. Let's see what would it be like if we added wave shaper. Like, look, we add wave shaper. We make it half sine and go to the full. Oh, and of course I doubled the sound, so and then we compress it. And then we can add parametric EQ. And what I like to do is but I don't like the punch. I think I get this down. That's crazy, by the way. I'll save that one. And then we're gonna experiment and listen to some other waveforms. So that's how you make a kick, and if you make a good one, then I highly suggest to save the kick and then just I don't know, open the kick you made like this. And you can start from there, you know, like we start from here. And I highly recommend that, because if you make like a good kick, like you have like a good good punch setup and like good distortion preset and like good compressor, you just fuck with the waves and the waveforms, you know, and you can just like make a small tweaks like with the filter and so on. So yeah, that's it with the kicks. I hope you learned something. If you have like another idea how to make it or how to make it better, please let me know. Bye.